What's going on, YouTube? Today we're going to be working on my '07 Ram 3500. It has a 5.9 in it. Not that that's important for this job that we're about to do. Okay, so we're looking at what we're going to be replacing today. This is the blower motor. So I've had this part about a year, and I've been putting it off and putting it off so I could wiggle on this relay and make it kick on. So I had just been doing that, but one of these days that's going to quit working. And I wasn't sure if it was the relay or if it was this and the actual blower motor. And one side note, I'm sorry about the mess. That is on the agenda to do this week. I just haven't got around to it. If you have a dog who sheds like crazy like mine, you'll know the struggle of trying to keep your truck clean. I did vacuum this out in the spring, and I don't use this truck that much. Anyway, so that's what we're going to be doing. So when we look at our new piece, we know that there's going to be 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, or screws, whatever, and we're going to have to unplug it. So if we pull our relay, we can see 1 and 2 screw holes there, and then a pin, or a plug, excuse me. So this is where it's at. Okay, so we are back with some light. These bolts that you need to get out, there's 3 of them, are an 8 or a 5/16. Either one will work. Oh heck, I didn't know I could see it. Okay, so don't be a dummy like me. As you can see, I can actually see this 3rd screw from here, so don't make the same mistake I did where you were trying to feel your way around for it. Okay, so there is our blower motor. You got a push tab on this thing. It comes right out. Okay, so there is a difference on these blower motors. Let me show you. Okay, on my old blower motor, it had a plug here that went into the side of it, and I was a little afraid that this one wasn't going to work because it has a lead, but it does fit. So we're going to go ahead and mount it up, and looks to be the same size and everything. So okay, it seems to go in there. Gonna try to run one of these screws in, that way that I can take a look at this wire real quick. Okay, it seems to go in there. Gonna try to run one of these screws in, that way that I can take a look at this wire real quick. I guess I'll just have to zip tie this wire up, like over here, if you can see that. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and put this 2nd screw back in because it's still a little it doesn't have a good grip. So as I was prepping this video to go online, I realized that for whatever reason this last part only recorded like 1 or 2 seconds at a time. So I don't know if I changed the setting or something, but anyways, I'm gonna go back and show you pulling the relay and changing it out. And I just wanted to say that the blower motor will only go in there one way. I had it incorrect. I swapped it around and actually got it mounted, but overall you've seen the process. So let me pull this relay, and that should wrap up this video. So these are just 2 Phillips head screws. You just push it on the plug and pull to wiggle and pull it out. So once both of those are out, voila. So to put the new one back in, just reverse the order. Slide it in. You can start your screws by hand. You don't want to over tighten your screws because it's just plastic. Plug your connection back up. And boom, the job is done. So to test to make sure that everything went correctly, all you gotta do, we're gonna power the key on, selector. As you can hear, we have air circulating, so the job is done. So this was a really easy job to do. If you were on the fence about doing this job, I highly encourage you to go ahead and just jump and do it. I had been on the forums talking about just replacing the relay on these things, and it is a lot of people very opinionated about the relay and the blower motor needing to be switched at the same time. So that's why I done it. In any other vehicle, I would have just changed the relay, and maybe that's what you want to do, I don't know. But they say that they work better as a pair for whatever reason. So anyways, I'll let you form your own opinion on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys for watching.